Good evening, friends. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 10th December 2021. Today's topic name is this keyword and super keyword. So, firstly, we talk about what is Java. As you know, Java is a programming language. The concept of Java programming it is depends upon object oriented programming language. The object-oriented programming language is a methodology to perform a programming. Such concepts are object-oriented methodology, object, class, polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction. We will discuss one by one. Object. Object is a instance of a class. Second, class. Class is a blueprint. Polymorphism. Poly means many, morphism means form. Then polymorphism means many forms. Abstraction. Abstraction means it is hiding the unnecessary details to the users. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is allows to code in instance of a class. Then we will discuss about today's topic. Today's topic is keyword in Java. The then first we discuss about which types keywords are used in Java programming. So let's talk to about little bit in including in Java keywords use in Java programming. So basically various types are keywords are used in Java. The mainly 51 keywords are used in Java programming. Out of 51 keywords, then only use 49 keywords in Java programming. And two keywords are constant and goto is also called as unused keywords. It is may be used future in future. So some used keywords are int, float, double, long, final, finally, instance, extends, character, char, and so on. These keywords and super keywords are also used in Java. Then today's topic is we will discuss about today's topic. Today's topic is this keyword and super keyword. So firstly talking one by one. This keyword. This keyword is a used to instance variable. The use of this keyword is 6 types. First one is a to use the instance variable in a class. Second, to call the method of the current class. Third one is a to call current of the to call constructor of the current class. Fourth one is a to pass the arguments of the method. Fifth one is a to pass the arguments of the constructor. And last one is a to uh, return the object of parent class of current class. Then we discuss one by one. First one is a these keywords are used in to the reference variable in a class. These keywords are used local variable and instance variable are also used this keyword. Then second, to call the method of current class. So this point is discuss example. Suppose class A is included two methods, method 1 and method 2. Method 2 is calling method 1. Then we access then we use the this dot keyword to call method 1. Third is to call constructor in current class. To call constructor in current class for using a reference of the current variables used to current variables. Fourth one is a to pass the arguments in methods. These keywords are also used in pass the arguments in methods. Fifth one is a to pass the arguments for constructor. These keywords are also used to pass arguments in constructor method. And last one is a to return object in current class. These keywords are also used the return object of in current class. So this is about this keyword. And second is a super keyword. Super keyword is used to refers to super keyword are used to refer super class or parent object. The use of super keyword is in Java programming for use call parent class. The main purpose of a super keyword in used Java programming it is eliminate the confusion of super keyword and sub keyword with the inbuilt the method. There the super keyword are divided into three parts. The uses of super keyword are divided into three parts. First one is a to call reference variable in parent class. Second one is a to call method of the parent class, and third one is a to call constructor in parent class. So this is three uses of super keyword. That's all about today's topic is this keyword and super keyword. Thank you.